Okay, so we're picking up where we left off. The only thing Corey's done is he trimmed the edge off the shingle there. So we're ready to go ahead and install.
Yep. So we're going to be putting the nails back to the first strike zone, and then after that we'll lift that shingle to put them in the second strike zone. Okay.
Do you need that? Here's another one.
Set now.
And is that at the top here?
Yes, that'll be this next row right here.
Okay.
As you can see, there is a little bit of creasing across the shingles in the middle there, but the more important thing is that they have just broken apart from themselves, the dragon teeth, and then where the seams are in the shingle like we showed you in the previous video. And then this one ripped through over here on the edge, which you shouldn't have done. You can see multiple dragon teeth broken apart. This one up on the top definitely shouldn't have broken apart, because that's a good... Yeah, for that reason, it's my opinion that this repair is a fail. If you have any questions, please contact Jimmy at 3 Pillars. Thank you. Have a good day.